सेशन असेंब्लीचे सेशन सोंपिल्लें आहा. प्रॉपर सेशन वेर बिजनस वॉज ट्रान्झॅक्टेड. 125 वरां हावजाची म्हळ्यार हें जाली, हावज बिजनस वॉज ट्रान्झॅक्टेड. आनी हातूंत आमी गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी म्हणून आनी आमी तिनूय आमदार आमकां पयले सुवातेर खोश भोगतात की जें कितें आमी उलयल्लें तें आमी इम्प्लिमेंट केल्लें आहा. आज लास्ट टप्प्यान माड हें स्टेट ट्री म्हणून सरकारान ताजेर कायद्यान दुरुस्ती हाडून केल्लें आहा, वीच वी फील इज अ अचिवमेंट. एज फार एज वी आर कन्सर्न, वी हॅव वॉक द टॉक. सगळे म्हणटात पळय, यू हॅव टू वॉक द टॉक. वी आर अ पार्टी वीच हॅज प्रूवन दॅट वी हॅव वॉक द टॉक. आतां बहुजन समाजाचो डिमांड आशिल्लो की कूळ मुणकार कायद्यान एमेंडमेंट हाडूंक जाय आनी पयलींचें सिच्युएशन जें आशिल्लें कोर्टान वचपाक तें रिवर्ट जावंक जाय. सरकारान तें केल्लें आहा. हो आमचे मॅनिफेस्टोचो एक भाग आशिल्लो. आमी तिगूय जाण जें कितें आमी प्रॉमीस केल्लें, चड करून म्हजे मतदारसंघात आमी एक गोंयकारपण राखून एक रिजनल प्लॅन करतले जंय गोंयच्यो इको सेन्सिटीव एरियाज, चड करून आमचे दोंगर, आमची खाजनां, आमचे नदी, शेतां ही सगळीं राखून प्लॅनूय करप आनीक इनकॉर्पोरेट डिवेलपमेंट अलॉंग वीथ कन्जर्वेशन हें करपाक आमी एक TDR पॉलिसी करतले. हें आमी असेंब्लीन डिक्लेअर केल्लें. हाजे खातीर टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंट स्ट्रॉंग करप, तो करपा खातीर डेलिगेशन ऑफ ड्युटीज करप. जें हांव म्हणटालो, हांवें एक प्रॉमीस केल्ली ड्युरींग डिमांड्स दॅट वी वील एमेंड द टावन कंट्री प्लॅनिंग एक्ट 1974 ड्युरींग द कोर्स ऑफ दीस सेशन, and we will bring about more delegation of duties and therefore more accountability to the department. हें हांवें प्रॉमीस केल्लें. हें आज आमी बील इंट्रोड्यूस करून आजूच पास केल्लें आहा. सो आज आयच्यान गोंयांत 3 टावन प्लॅनर, 3 चीफ टावन प्लॅनर जातात. वी वील बी गिवन स्पेसिफीक टास्क. आतां हें कित्या खातीर? कित्याक सगळे हावजाचे एक कन्सेन्सस व्यू असो आशिल्लो की गोंयांत खूब इलिगॅलिटीज जातात, ऑर्चर्ड लँडाचेर प्लॉट्स जातात, फिलिंग रॅम्पंट चालू आहा. हाजेर कोणाक तरी एकावंटेबल करपाची गरज आहा आनी हें करपा खातीर आमी हें आज दुरुस्ती हाडिल्ली आहा. एज फार एज अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स आर कन्सर्न, दे कॅन ऑल्सो टेल देअर थिंग्स, बट वॉट आय कॅन से अबाउट ऑल ऑफ अस इज अ टीम इज दॅट वी हॅव नॉट ओनली टेकन पॉवर फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट, बट वी आर एक्चुअली डिलिव्हरिंग. आज जें आमी सरकारान आयल्यात, हें सरकारान येवन आमी आसात आनी आमचें अस्तित्व आमी दाखयतात. गोंयकारपण म्हणटकीर सरकाराचे पॉलिसीन एक स्टेपाचेर दिश्टी पडटा. इतलेंच न्ही की थोड्यो आदल्यो पॉलिसी रिवर्सूय जातात, थंय बी मातशें एक हार्टबर्न जाता. आज माड जेन्ना स्टेट ट्री म्हणून जालो तेन्ना म्हाका सरप्रायजींग दिसता की प्रश्न आमचे आमदारांचे कशें आशिल्ले की माड जर मारतलो जाल्यार तुवें कशें करप. आमचो मानारीक बाब चर्चिल आलेमावाचो क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो की आपल्याक जर माड मारले आनी आपल्याक रोवंक जालें ना जाल्यार मागीर कितें करप. म्हळ्यार माड मारप वॉज appeared to be the priority rather than conserving mud, which should have been the priority. This is first. माड हो गोंयच्या अस्तित्वाचो एक भाग आनी माड हो कल्पवृक्ष आनी हे माडाक सन्मान दिवप, हे माडाक स्टेट ट्री करप, हें आज आमी केल्लें आहा. हें करतकच तुमी म्हणटले की इट इज जस्ट कॉस्मॅटीक, फकत एक ताका एक नांव दिवप म्हणून. इट इज जस्ट सेरेमोनियल न्ही तें. माडाक मारप एक गुन्हो जातलो गोंयांत. हें एक भंय बी ताजे बरोबरूच येता. हो आमी केल्लो आहा आनी हो आज आमी हाडिल्लो आहा. फॉर वीच वी आर वीथ प्रायड वी कॅन से दॅट वी आर अचिवींग अवर एजेंडा, द एजेंडा फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ गोवा. गोंयकारपण म्हणटा तें राखपा खातीर आमी सारके कॉन्क्रीट स्टेप्स घेतात. हे आमी दाखोवन दिल्लें आहा. हाजे खातीर वी आर एक्सप्रेसींग सॅटिस्फॅक्शन, वी आर एक्सप्रेसींग जॉय, एंड वी आर हॅपी दॅट दीस अलायन्स गव्हर्मेंट इज गोईंग ऑन दीस पाथ. As far as his department of RDA is concerned, he has had a tie-up with the UNESCO, which is an international body where Goan artisans will get exposure at the international level. This is with an MOU with the Bangla Natak company, banglanatak.com. Now, when it comes to water resources, see, नितळ बाय म्हणटा ती जी स्कीम ताजी हाडल्या तातूंत शेतकऱ्यांक आनी गोंयचे ग्रावंड वॉटर कन्जर्वेशनान एक मेजर इनिशिएटीव आहा. तो एक व्हडलो एक कितले कोट्यांचो टेंडर न्ही तो, बट इट इज अ क्वेश्चन वेरीन आमच्यो बांयो आहा त्यो आमी राखूंक जाय. इट इज ऑल्सो अ वॉटर रिसोर्स which needs to be conserved, which needs to be protected, for which steps have been taken. Housing, affordable housing गोंयकारांक दिवप हो आमच्या एजेंडान नासलें. हें करपा खातीर एक स्टेप्स ताजे डिपार्टमेंटान घेतिल्ले आहा. ही वूड बी इन अ पोजिशन in about a month or so, wherein because of the code of conduct we cannot make certain pronouncement, but we'll be in a position to have a concrete policy by then. Similarly, even getting affordable fish to the people of Goa, this for which we are also thinking in terms of supporting cold chains, all these things, and we will be able to even bring that to fruit. It will bear fruit soon. So आमी आमचे रुळार आहात आणि we are expressing satisfaction, and we'll take questions from you also. Affordable fishaक एक इशू आहा की आज मेरेन फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट जी सबसिडी दिता, ही सबसिडी कोणाक वता? ट्रॉलर ओनराक वता. एंड युजराक वतली जाल्यार कितें करूंक जाय? सो आज हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशन कितें करता? भाजी हाडटा, इतले सबसिडायज्ड आयटम्स आहा, 10 भाजयो सबसिडायज आहा, आनी हे 10 भाजयांची सबसिडी लोकां कडेन पावोवपा खातीर कितें करता की ती भाजी तो हाडटा त्या मनशाक दिता आनी ताका सांगता की यू चार्ज 20% कमिशन. कमिशन म्हळ्यार कितें? जे प्रेसाक तूं घेता, तूं जो प्रेसाक विकता ताजेर तूं 20% कमिशन घे फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट, वीच मिन्स दॅट 20% सबसिडी तूं लोकांक पावयता. हें फिशरीज धंद्यानाच जायना, कित्याक फीश एक्सपोर्ट ताजेर रेग्युलेट करूंक जायना. सो ओनली वे दीस कॅन बी डन इज टू हॅव ह्यूज solid cold storages. Now either the department has to do it on its own, or the department has to do it by entering into alliances with private players who can be incentivized by, let us say, giving an industrial plot at concessional rates. Today industrial plot melapoy difficult now. Honorable Chief Minister was discussing with me when he has got a proposal where solar energy can be used to run this cold chain. So it is not only for fish, it is also for potatoes, it is also for tomatoes, it is also for onion. So आमी जो एक larger concept आमचो सांगतात की brand Goa market करप म्हणटात in stores which will basically sell Goan produce. As red amaranthus red amaranthus is तांबडी भाजी आमची, but immediately perishable. एक रात ह्या उरना जाल्यार गेली, ताचो value zero जाता. So if you have a cold chain, you can actually sell this produce. You can have that channelizing of Goan pride. आमी जे गोंयकारपण म्हणटा ते is about Goan pride. This Goan pride to give premium for the farmer, the local farmer, and also to create a brand of your own. We will now work for the next 2-3 months strongly on this brand and create this Goan brand where we will give a push to organic farming. We will give push to, and this brand can even have fish with you. It can be a thing where everything is available. It can create today Goan or Goa orchid म्हणून हांव म्हणटा ते पासून तातूंत येवपाक शकता. सो आज हॉर्टिकल्चर आउटलेट्स जे आहा ताका जर एक टुरिजम फ्रेंडली केलें, ताका ऑर्गेनीक फार्मिंगाचो कंपोनंट हाडलो जाल्यार वील एबल टू क्रिएट अ मच बिगर अम्ब्रेला which will not only exhibit गोंयकारपण but also get premium for the farmer.
Now there are two points on this.
Yeah.
Now the subsidy that you both fisheries and agriculture gives. Fisheries gives to trawler owners.
Yeah.
Trawler owners fish doesn't come to the people.
Yeah.
It goes to exports,
Yeah.
goes to hotels.
Yeah.
We pay Bangladesh 100 rupees 3.
Yeah.
So the subsidy is useless for
Yeah.
us, for the people.
Yeah.
Second thing is even horticulture department.
Yeah.
We have broken a story, 2-3 gardens were thrown out. Morning trucks come, They fill up the tempos, they go directly to the hotels.
Yeah.
The people get very, very bad quality of vegetables. These 2 points now, subsidies,
Yeah.
money is going.
Yeah, I'll just give you an answer and a solution to this. See, I'm proposing, and I proposed during the discussion on demands, a concept called agro cloud. What is an agro cloud? It means those who produce and those who are buyers. Now, suppose you want to buy organic ginger from Karkona. Now, you want to buy it, but if you go to the market, you are getting it at a huge premium. Or you go to a hotel and buy it, the produce that otherwise should have come to the common man, you are buying it at the hotel at a much higher rate. So you have an inventory, you have a cloud service where the buyer and the seller are both available online. This is making the entire agri business IT savvy. This is possible. Progressive economies of the world today are working on a cloud-based system. Clouds have to be there everywhere, even in town planning. If you want to a particular rule and if you want to buy a particular plot, you should be able to buy the plot from by sitting in America, by saying this is the plot I have. What would be the permission that can be got here? What would be the zoning? Everything should be on the press of a button. And see, up to now I have been always saying that I have this difficulty, that difficulty. Today with this bill passing of the town planning, I'm just moving one step further. Our immediate target should be to get something what is called an auto DSR. What is an auto DSR? It is like the architect will submit a plan online and will get an approval online. Human interface will be minimum. And there should be a dimming provision in that. That suppose the department goes and slips over it, your PDA slips, they don't approve you at all. Then the license is to be deemed to be given. So this auto DSR is a thing which successive governments have been trying to implement. But the department is not moving at all. So now I am delegating responsibility to each of these officers. There is also a financial proponent to this 3 chief town planner thing. Today what Mr. Rane was saying, that why are you creating more offices when you should shrink them? But no, this is delegation with accountability. The responsibility has been given to certain people, which is specific responsibility. Therefore, more accountability also is there from their side to me. This will be able, by this the common man benefits. There is minimum human interface and there is minimum scope for middlemen in any of these fields.
So with these two bills which have been passed, do you think there's a fractured mandate within the whole as well?
What is the fractured mandate?
Fractured mandate.
For us it was 3 out of 4. There is no fracture there.
No, within the alliance partners, a fractured mandate upheld democracy. Do you think so? The democratic rights.
See, I strongly believe that the Congress party, which on the first day made a big issue and did a walkout over saying that the officers are not deputed to the MLA's offices, they actually lost the plot subsequently. एक कांग्रेस पार्टीचे सांगूंक सोदताले की mandate was stolen. In the entire assembly session, they have failed to prove this point. They have not even pushed that point further. And the people of Goa have clearly accepted this government now. Not only the people of Goa, the Congress party's legislature wing has accepted it. कोण दुःखी आहा दिसता? आम्ही तरी दुःखी ना, पण काँग्रेस पार्टी भितर सुशेगाद सगळे बरे आहा मरे. So there is absolutely no. I think it is only you who remembers this fractured mandate. The rest everyone has forgotten it.
But it is a fact, right?
Why it's a fact? You say it is a fact. I am disproving.
The second thing is today the government has tabled a CAG report in the assembly, which indicates highest physical deficit, 15 crore deficit has been done. How do you look at it? And how do you think that the Modi government, not the center, should support the state?
See, I don't want to make any statement on the CAG report. One is I have not studied the report. Number one. Number two, I am part of the government now. Earlier, the way I used to make the statements, now I am not in a position to make it. Let me study it and make a statement.
But what about retail?
Retailच बरं आहे. हांव तुका रिटेलाचें सांगता मरे. आता रिटेल कशें जातलें? See, the moment you create a brand, now brand will be what? Once you create the brand, you will have to sell something which is genuine. You cannot bring third-rate bhaji from that Belgaum and sell it in a first-rate shop. See, today what I was saying, that the government intervention in this horticulture business is not only for prices, it is also for quality. And today, honorable member, leader of opposition, pointed out that there are 3 categories to bhaji in Belgaum, A, B, C.
Yeah.
And he says it is a C that you are getting for A price.
It is probably D with tomato.
No, whatever. Now, what I am trying to say is, the moment all these things become more transparent, you get better quality at better price. There is no other way of doing it. How do you suggest? Otherwise, how do you suggest? They are talking about expression of interest. Are tenders taken? You can't take tenders for items like this. You have to take day-to-day tenders because the rates keep fluctuating. So they are taking those quotations which are daily. But if the quotations agree, see, कितें आता horticulture outlets are not very stylish. You know, they are केल्या खंय तरी एक मेळटा म्हणून बरें केलें तुवें व्हडली स्टायल करून तुवें जर अमिताभ बच्चन हाडलो आनी ब्रँड गोवाचें एग्रीकल्चर आउटलेट इनॉग्रेट केलें आनी थंय भाजी जर तुका पोचेक मेळ्ळी तर दुसरे दिसाचेर तुमी गाळी मागूंक लागतले मरे. सो अकाउंटेबिलिटी मोर गव्हर्मेंट इज अकाउंटेबल टू दीस थिंग. सो हें करुया, लेट्स टेक दीस चॅलेंज. न्हू सी आय हॅव बीन पॉयंटिंग आउट in America to a case of a company called Whole Foods. That day even I said it in the assembly. Whole Foods is a company whose quarterly results are looked after by the people await, like Reliance quarterly results come. The share market awaits that because it is selling everything organic and everything expensive. But it's a chain, it must be having thousands of stores all over Northern American hemisphere, including Canada and all that. Now, Goa is small, but we can plan this out this way. That the Goan produce, even the roadside, you know, if we have the, what you say, the drive-in farmers markets, along with this brand, I think we can succeed.
Just one point. Now, I'm not very sure because I do not understand. Now, during one of the questions on TCP, flying squad, Nilesh Kabral brought up some...
Yeah, about coconut.
Yeah, coconut and Nilesh. I didn't... What
No, I see, to my greatest disadvantage, I am normally a very avid newspaper reader. Not only that, I read newspapers online because many times the papers come later and I get up earlier. But today I have not been able to read the papers, and it seems there is a photograph of 4 coconut trees being cut in Fatarda. It becomes news because it is Fatarda. Now, what I, in a joking manner, I said that, you know, a flying squad, if Nilesh Kabral wants it to actually fly on the top, you know, and have this, then it's different. First of all, that question actually is not supposed to be answered by me. It's supposed to be answered by revenue. Because these flying squads come under deputy collectors. And only one draftsman of the town planning department is deputed on the squads. And along with that draftsman, there is forest department, there are other departments also. So it is not town planning department's sole criteria. But section 17, which is for hill cutting and filling of low-lying areas, that pertains to our department. So the whole focus comes on our department. So that's anyway, that's now we are part of the government, collective responsibility is there. Now, in the case of these coconut trees, what has happened yesterday cannot happen tomorrow. Tomorrow the guy will be in jail because he's cutting the state. So things change. 4 coconuts is not a big price for a big legislation.
So during the election campaigns, you said that you arbitrarily do not want to support a river nationalization.
Yes, I congratulate you for thinking on this.
And now the stand has been changed.
No, see, river nationalization, if you recall, at that time river nationalization was only for, there was a MOU between the Inland Waterways Authority of India and the MPT. The captain of ports was never part of this. It is after our common minimum program that a tripartite agreement has come into being, with the captain of ports being the guardian of the Goan interests. Number 1. Number 2, clear assurances have come from the center, and Chief Minister has said this on the floor of the Legislative Assembly that all permissions will be local for anything on the riverine areas, which was a fear that was always there. Nationalization, dredging करता था opposition कोणाच्यात ना. Nationalization तो fear असा कि like MPT has its mandate or this domain over this whole areas from Betul to this thing. तें जावचें न्ही म्हणून. सो नाव इफ दॅट इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय यू डोंट वॉन्ट यू वॉन्ट द चॅनल टू बी क्लियर ऑल्सो and you don't have the money for it. So if the central government puts the money, there's nothing wrong. So there is no U-turn in this. We are clear because the first, the third tripartite agreement is coming to be, and permissions are local.